case study on architect B.V. Doshi. Architect B.V. Doshi's full name is Balkrishna Vittaldas Doshi. Balkrishna Vittaldas Doshi is Indian architect. Early life. B.V. Doshi was born on 26th August 1927 in Pune, Maharashtra. B.V. Doshi studied architecture in Sir J.J. School of Art in Mumbai in 1947 to 1950. But he is not completed his B.Arch degree. Early projects. In 1950, he went to Europe, worked closely with Le Corbusier on the latter project in Paris between 1951 to 1954. He worked as a senior architect. In 1954, he returned to India to supervise Corbusier buildings in Ahmedabad. His studio Vastu Shilpa as environmental design established in 1955. Doshi worked closely with Louis Khan and Anand Raji in IIM, Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad. Le Corbusier was like guru to B.V. Doshi. Principle of design. His work has consistently revolved around the interrelationship of indoor and outdoor spaces. He provides openness in buildings using colonnades, pergolas, porticos, skylights, and etc. Success of any project depends on effective construction, contracting, logistic planning, and coordination. He applies modernist concept to Indian context. These are some B.V. Doshi's hand sketches. Projects. The first project is Sangat. It is located in Ahmedabad, established in 1980. Basically, Sangat is B.V. Doshi's office. These are some exterior and interior views. Next, CEPT, the Center for Environmental Planning and Technology, located in Ahmedabad, completed in 1972. Next is IIM, Indian Institute of Management, located in Bangalore, completed in 1974. Next, NIFT, National Institute of Fashion and Textile, located in Delhi, completed in 1989. Next, Ahmedabad Nigufa, located in Ahmedabad. These are some exterior and interior view. Ahmedabad Nigufa is very famous structure in Gujarat. In this project, B.V. Doshi is work with M.F. Hussain, who is very famous artist in India. Next is Tagore Memorial Hall, located in Ahmedabad. Next, Aranya Low Cost Housing, located in Indore. Next, IIM Lucknow, Indian Institute of Management in Lucknow. Awards. B.V. Doshi is first Indian who get Pritzker Architecture Prize in 2018. Next, awards. 6th Aga Khan Award for Architecture in Aranya Community Housing in 1993. Next, the Officer of the Order of Art and Letter, which is France's highest honor award. in 2011. Next, Padma Shri, which is given by Indian government or Government of India in 1976. And next is Padma Bhushan Award, which is also given by Government of India in 2020. He get Global Award for Sustainable Architecture in 2007. Doshi's quote: love what you do and do what you love, and learn the art of constantly enjoying every minute of your life. B.V. Doshi. Thank you.